we're introducing a brand new 10-week program that we're calling Small Business Accelerator, where we're going to take you through a guided learning path, assisting you for the first 10 weeks of your journey, helping you achieve mastery in terms of small business contracting. And so at the end, we're going to do assessments and a quiz so that you can have a certificate that shows that you fully understand what does it take to be a government contractor. And so over and above that, we have Academy 3.0, which again, with Academy 3.0 comes out consulting, right? What does it take to become a consultant? Proposal writing, how to put together proposals. Business development, right? What does it take to become an acquisition professional? And above that, we have an entire repository of videos and content. And if that's not enough, for those persons just getting started, the Rhino's Bid Alert, where we actually help folks pull down the SAM results each and every week that we send to you automated to your email inbox. Target market list, where those persons getting started, who buys what you sell, we give you this report, right? It tells you all the government buyers for your particular product, your code, and the area that you want to serve. And if that's not enough, the GovCon Vault, which we introduced last year, giving you all of the documents, the supplements. For example, if you want a template, if you're looking for a subcontractor agreement, if you're looking for a teaming contract or an agreement, we give you all of that inside the GovCon Vault. And one more thing before we go, the GovCon GrowLab. And with the GovCon GrowLab, you get...
Hey everyone! So I'm excited because the GovCon GrowLab is back and it's gonna be better than ever. If you don't have an idea of what that is, what it is our members only Zoom sessions where you are in a community of your own peers. We learn together, we share ideas, experiences, all that. And we've divided it into two, beginners and advanced. That way you could find your very own place between those people that you're going to share this journey with. So I'm excited to have you there and find your path in the GovCon GrowLab.
Reach out to us for any and all questions you have regarding this package, any of the programs that we discussed, and more.